Good morning guys, in front of me is Vivo Y16 and let me show you how to activate developer options. At first you need to open the settings, scroll all the way down and open About Phone. Here you have to enroll software info and now locate build number. Tap on it 7 times and as you can see, from now on you're a developer. You just have to provide your screen lock password. Then let's go back, and now developer options can be found under system. So here you can reach them, smoothly use whatever you need, and then to deactivate them just use the stop switcher. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.